how can this order be complied when the 20th Congress does not yet exist?
Bibian Gulia from ABS-CBN. Go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, as far as the Senate is concerned, ang decision po nila ay i-remand sa House of Representatives yung Articles of Impeachment, but ang House po ayaw munang tanggapin itong Articles of Impeachment while seeking clarification. Will it be accurate to say na mayroon pong deadlock?
I don't think so. We are not defying the order. We are not disobeying the order. What I said earlier, we are deferring the receipt until we are clarified on the actions taken by the Senate last night. Ano ba yung tatlong actions? Number one, they're asking for the certification of the House of Representatives that we complied with the requirements in filing an impeachment complaint. Itong requirements po na ito ay ang pagpirma ng at least 1/3 of all the members of the House and the verification, of course, non-violation of the one-year bar rule. We are certain, and it is in the face of the impeachment complaint, that we are fully and strictly compliant with the requirements of the Constitution. Kanina nabanggit ko na rin po ang resolution ng then presiding officer Juan Ponce Enrile when there is compliance with the first two basic requirements. The filing of the impeachment complaint already enjoys the presumption of legality, that it cannot be questioned anymore unless there is strong evidence to the contrary, no? Pangalawa, they're asking for the confirmation of the 20th Congress, whether it will pursue the impeachment complaint against the Vice President. How can this order be complied when the 20th Congress does not yet exist? Wala pa pong 20th Congress. Nasa 19th Congress pa lang po tayo. So, who will comply? The second order. Number 3, bagaman ito po'y hindi part ng order nila, but I saw a letter in the social media, rendered moot ang presentation of articles because the verified complaint has been referred already to the Impeachment Court. Ito po'y gusto namin maklarify lahat sapagkat yung una, we are fully compliant with the Constitution. Yung pangalawa, wala pang 20th Congress. At yun pong pangatlo, the presentation of articles, that is part of their own rules. And we are ready to present the articles. Why suddenly biglang rendered moot when no less than the rules on impeachment of the Senate provides for the same? Again, we do not defy. We do not disobey. We are merely deferring receipt of the same to give way to the clarification of all these issues surrounding the actions taken by the Senate last night. That is in as far as I am concerned as part of the prosecution panel because as I have said earlier, hindi naman po bahagi ng trabaho ng prosecutors ang pagtanggap nung ibinabalik na Articles of Impeachment, including the receipt of whatever order issued by the Senate, especially if it is addressed to the House of Representatives. Let us wait and see as to the action that will be taken by the Office of the Secretary General.
Pero may assurance po ba na susunod kung halimbawa ma-clarify na po or depende pa sa magiging response ng Senate?
As soon as this is clarified and the clarification is in accordance with the Constitution, the Senate rules on impeachment and other existing laws, we will certainly abide. Dahil kagaya ng sinabi po ng aking mga kasama, ibang usapan to, impeachment court ito. Sila po ang judges at kami po ang prosecutors. we are morally bound to follow the orders of the Impeachment Court.
Clarification lang din, ma'am, kasi last day na po ng session today. So wala po bang compliance na mga ngailangan ng House plenary action?
At this point, what we are considering is to prepare a motion seeking for clarification.
Also, sa tingin niyo po ba yung ikalawang utos ng Senado ay parang admission na rin na pwedeng tumawid sa 20th Congress itong impeachment trial?
That's the way I see it. And that's one of the several things that I wish to welcome. Yun pong kautosan nila na address sa 20th Congress, indeed, is an implied admission already that we can continue the impeachment trial until the 20th Congress.
Final clarification. Yung withdrawal ng impeachment complaint or articles of impeachment by the House, it's off the table. Tama po ba yun? And are you considering to bring the matter to the Supreme Court?
About the impeachment complaint being withdrawn, that is outside the power of the Congress already, because we have concluded our function and power to initiate the impeachment complaint. Tapos na po yun. The ball is already in the hands of the Senate, whose duty is to try and decide. No? Walang amendment, walang withdrawal na manggagaling po sa House of Representatives. Hindi po yan pinapayagan ng Constitution. And then your next question? That is a matter that we have yet to discuss.
Ma'am Gerville, clarification lang. Kasi ang sabi ninyo, since nag-acquire na ng jurisdiction ng impeachment court doon sa impeachment case, doon sa nakita nyo na napost sa social media that renders moot and academic, yung supposed to be today a presentation na ng article of impeachment. Miwino, kumbaga clarification, tinututulan nyo yung cancellation ng presentation since the impeachment court acquired the jurisdiction on the matter.
We are not opposing. We are seeking clarification. And perhaps if the impeachment court will issue an order that the presentation of the article is impliedly complied with, we may accede to that. We are just following the Senate rules on impeachment. And the presentation of the articles is one of the significant part of their own rules on impeachment.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Big.